Ayan, so gusto ko mag-entry dyan sa wakas at simula homecoming 18 guest entry. So, since marami ng 18 na may mga haka-haka or hypothesis regarding the homecoming, I want to have an entry of my own. So, I agree with some that, especially with Justin's comment, that they actually started sa wakas part and not do sa simula part. So, I believe the wakas, he's referring to the wakas or to the end ng trilogy. It's not the wakas of SB19 ha guys, so tayo masyadong mga aning. So, they started with the episode to end the trilogy. And then, what to expect in the concert, knowing this. So, one is there might be a production number that will establish the connection of the three eras. And probably it could be a new song. Or for some, they are guessing that it's a totally new EP. But I think it's a song that they would be releasing in January. And my best guess is that song defines their journey throughout that throughout the trilogy. And then, genre-wise, I feel like it will not be a banger. It might have something to do with Go Up. And the reason being is to tie the loose ends. My best guess is it's a Freedom SLMP Shooting for the Stars sounds like. So yun yung guess ko with that part of wakas. Now, what is interesting is the simula. So this is the launch of the new era. So they are ending the trilogy and they are launching a new era for SB19 in the homecoming concert. So what to expect in production? This is something that I have thought of based on the comments that you can read in Paulos Valenciano's post regarding fast songs. So, again, I hope that there would be a change of stage coming from wakas part going to the simula. Remember guys, sa fast song, merong parang mga steel cages na bumaba at tumaas. So, feeling ko, it's a preparation for the homecoming that they will change the stage during the concert itself so that it would define the wakas and the simula part. So, they already tried it in fast songs. A new stage will go down or the first stage will go up. Either way, definitely there will be an EP. Some of the songs that I feel like is songs that are very Filipino. The concept that they want to bring to the international stage. I'm also guessing there will be a power ballad, a Pledge of Love type, another R&B. Remember in the Cadena Boys live, someone requested R&B back then. Anong ginawa ng tatlo? Wag nating pagbigyan yan. Tapos bigla sila nagtawanan. So, technically, feeling ko, niluto na nila na merong R&B doon sa bagong EP for the simula. And then, I hope, I hope, na they could have a patriotic song, yung may epekto ng handog ng Pilipino sa mundo. Kasi they could use their influence to encourage patriotism. So I hope they could do that. I'm guessing they could and they will. And then of course there's a banger song, but it's probably something fresh. Malay niyo si Jana yung mag-grow. At tapos si Pablo na yung kalmado, diba? Something fresh, something new, but there will definitely be a banger song. Now something I would like to discuss also is, do you think itong mga EP artista to ay gawa na yung mga songs. Remember Pablo released twin albums. Do you think that is testing the waters kung pwede? Hindi kaya mag-twin album launch din sila? One is Wakas and one is Simula, or a song and then an EP. Or technically this is like a twin already because we have the song Simula at Wakas and then we have the Simula. And we know Pablo, he can definitely create a lot of songs. Ngayon, feeling ko nga, lahat ng songs gawa na. Tapos, pinagpilian na lang nila kung ano yung pang wakas at ano yung pang simula. Diba? Napaka-possible. Basta, these are just mere guesses. I'm so excited. I hope you are. So, be ready. 18. We have to strengthen not just by the numbers but also with our relationship and with our influence to help the boys. Basta wag lang kayong mag-i-end SB19. Gusto nyo magpahinga kayo. Gusto nyo magpakasal kayo. Kung si Ring nga ng South Korea up to now nag-perform, what's more kayo na sobrang fit na fit, no? You can rest, you can stop for a while, but definitely don't end it yet. It's too early. Marami pa kayong ma-achieve and your 18 has your back. Good luck!